Welcome to level 1 of the 5 levels of AI, basic automation. At this first stage, AI functions as a tool, something you can pick up, apply to simple tasks, and put it down. It's straightforward, it's accessible, and it's where most people begin with their journey into artificial intelligence. The 5 levels roadmap. In this series, we'll move step by step through the evolution of AI, starting here with basic automation, then moving to co-pilot systems, then into creative partnerships. We'll move then into agentic systems, and finally into hybrid ecosystems that weave everything together. But it all begins here at level 1, where AI is nothing more and nothing less than a tool. What defines level 1? At level 1, AI works in a very limited way. It operates like a calculator, or like the grammar checker built into your word processor. You give it an input, it gives you an output. Each interaction is one-off. It doesn't remember what happened before. It doesn't carry context forward. This is AI as a single-use helper. It does what you ask, nothing more, and nothing less. You probably already use level 1 AI every day without even thinking about it. For example, when Google Docs underlines a grammar error and suggests a correction, that's AI at work. When you ask ChatGPT to rewrite a sentence or summarize a short email, that's level 1 automation. Copywriting tools like Jasper can generate a quick product description. Even when your email app offers a one-click summarize this thread button, you're tapping into level 1 AI. These are small, focused tasks, helpers that make you faster, but don't think for you. Benefits of level 1. The strength of level 1 lies in its accessibility. Anyone can use it. There's no learning curve, no special setup, and no training required. It saves time on microtasks, those repetitive actions that add up throughout the day. Editing a sentence, checking grammar, drafting a short blurb. It's immediate, it's simple, it's the easiest way to dip your toes into the world of AI. Limitations of level 1. Level 1 comes with real limitations because it has no memory, it can't understand the bigger picture. It doesn't know the context of your work, it doesn't carry on conversations, and it can't manage complexity. It's also easily replicable. Anyone with access to the same tool can generate the same results. That means it doesn't give you a lasting edge. So while level 1 is useful, it's shallow. It's not where transformation happens. The evolution beyond level 1. Think of level 1 as the foundation. It's where you start, but not where you finish. The real transformation begins at level 2, AI as a co-pilot. At that stage, AI moves from being a passive tool to being an active partner. It starts to anticipate your needs, hold context, and guide decisions. That's where things get exciting, but it all builds on the basics we're covering here. Thanks for joining me for level 1 of the 5 levels of AI, basic automation. We've seen how AI works as a simple tool, helpful, accessible, but limited. In the next session, we'll explore level 2, AI as a co-pilot, where the shift from passive to proactive truly begins. Make sure to subscribe to continue this journey into level 2 3, 4, and 5. Thanks for joining me, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next episode.